Welcome to this new video by Simplilearn. Before we begin with top 5 digital marketing certifications for 2024, let me take you through a quick walk through the history of digital marketing. With the birth of personal computers, the concept of digital marketing began to take shape. Early marketers started sharing emails to reach out to their customers. Around 1994, the first ever digital banner went live on the website hotwire.com. The best part about this banner was the banner was clickable ad. In late 1990, with the birth of search engines, marketers began to optimize their websites to get higher rankings, thereby getting relevant traffic which impacted positively on sales. And the rest becomes history. Today in the digital world, around 98% of internet users are influenced by social media platforms. Because of this strong user base, social media has turned to one of the best marketplaces. If compared to traditional marketing, digital marketing has high ROI, thus making it more cost-effective. With the evolution in marketing techniques, a lot of jobs are emerging in the market, opening doors for skilled digital marketers. On an average, a skilled digital marketer earns up to 8 lakh rupees annually in India, whereas in US, the salaries may go as high as $106,000 per year. So without any further delay, let's begin with top 5 digital marketing certifications. The number 1 on the list is Postgraduate Program in Digital Marketing by Purdue. This comprehensive course is one-stop solution for any aspiring digital marketer. It offers masterclasses from Purdue University, Harvard publishing cases, capstone projects, 35 plus digital marketing tools and much more. Skills are necessary for growth. With this program, you will gain must-needed skills for digital marketing, including keyword research, behavioral marketing, SEO, SEM, social media marketing, content marketing and much more. Learn tools like ChatGPT, Google Keyword Planner, Google Ads, YouTube Analytics, Google Trends, RFs, and more. Gain expertise in building and promoting your website using live interactive learning. An year of experience is preferred for this course. Hurry up and enroll now. Find the complete course details from the link in the description box. At number 2 on the list we have is Master Digital Marketing course by IIM Skills. This master program provides digital marketing training with live online interactive classroom covering all the essentials of digital marketing. Gain in-depth understanding of tools like Facebook Ads, Facebook Insights, Google Analytics, Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Moz, Ubersuggest and more. Check the complete course details from the official website of IIM Skills. Moving ahead to number 3 we have Digital Marketing Masters Program. This online master's program in digital marketing offers expertise in SEO, social media, PPC, conversion optimization, analytics, content, mobile, and email marketing. With 12-month access to the course, you will gain industry-ready skills, work on real projects, and attend Facebook expert sessions. Tools covered in this programs are the most commonly used tools in the digital marketing industry, naming a few: YouTube Analytics, Google Keyword Planner, Google Ads, Bing Ads, Hootsuite, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and there is a huge list to go. With this master's program, you get hands-on experience with industry projects. An year of prior experience is preferred for this course. Get an amazing discount by using the code YTBE15. Join the course from the link in the description box. At number 4, we have Digital Marketing Specialist by LinkedIn. It is taught by various experienced professionals. LinkedIn's online course provides no-pressure environment for entry-level marketers wishing to build the knowledge of digital marketing. This course has almost 20 hours of on-demand videos broken down into 11 modules. This is an ideal course for people with little or no experience with digital marketing. It provides comprehensive overview of all the leading digital channels, including Google Ads or PPC, SEO, email, and social media. Learner will also get a basic introduction of Google Analytics, content marketing, Facebook, and Instagram, and even learn the fundamentals of graphic design using Adobe products. Each video module includes a quiz to test how much you have learned, and you will receive a certificate upon the completion of all modules. The number 5 on the list is Digital Marketing Courses by Digital Vidya. Digital Vidya is Government of India approved digital marketing platform that provides various digital marketing certifications in Google AdWords, Google Analytics, HubSpot, and more. The course curriculum is designed with 6 core modules, making beginner to learn SEO, email marketing, inbound marketing, search engine marketing, search engine optimization, web analytics, and much more. You can check the course details on the official website of Digital Vidya. Before we end this video, listen to what our learners say about our courses.
Restarting your career in a new country, that too in a new sector after a career break is anything but. Hi, my name is Smriti and I am a digital marketer by profession. I already had experience in sales and public relations, so I wanted to learn digital marketing. So I opted a professional certification program in digital marketing from Purdue University, offered by Simplilearn. On the basis of my past experience and on my newly developed skill, I landed my first freelance project with a company called The best part about this job is it is remote. I can stay at home, I can be with my kids, and I can also focus on my hobbies.
So here we wrap up top 5 marketing certifications for 2024. If you like this video, subscribe to Simplilearn and stay tuned with latest updates in the industry. Thanks for watching.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.